This is the fully electric SUV from Mercedes. It is called the EQA and will be available as from the spring of 2021. It is being built in Rastatt in Germany and Beijing in China. The battery systems for the EQA are supplied by the Mercedes-Benz subsidiary Accumotive in Kamenz. The battery factory in Jawor, Poland, is also preparing to produce battery systems for the compact Mercedes EQ models. Mercedes aims to offer a whole family of EQA models, with output ranging from 140 through to more than 200 kilowatts, and with front wheel as well as all-wheel drive and indeed a vehicle with a range in excess of 500 kilometers. The EQA range is being launched with the EQA 250, which with a 140 kilowatts lithium-ion battery will give a range of 486 kilometers, or so claims Mercedes. The EQA 250 will be available in Germany with a net price of €39,950. Customers can get an environmental grants of €6,000 offered by the federal government and €3,000 from Mercedes-Benz as the manufacturer. This will bring the price to just under €31,000, but with value-added tax, the price will be back to nearly €40,000. The biggest worry for most people with an electric vehicle is running out of electricity. Mercedes attempts to solve this offering navigation with electric intelligence. This calculates as a matter of course the route that will get the driver to the destination fastest, taking into account charging times, thus taking the stress out of route planning for the driver. On the basis of continual range simulations, the system makes allowance for any necessary charging stops as well as for numerous other factors, such as the topography and the weather. It is also able to react dynamically to changes, for instance in the traffic situation or personal driving style. Mercedes has a financial service called Mercedes eCharge, which gives customers access to what is currently the world's biggest charging network. This currently comprises of more than 450,000 charging points across 31 countries, 175,000 of which are in Europe. Mercedes eCharge allows customers convenient use of the charging stations of various providers, even when traveling abroad. By registering just once, they can benefit from an integrated payment function with a simplified billing process. Low wind resistance means high efficiency, something that is particularly important with electric vehicles. The EQA is the first model from Mercedes EQ whose aerodynamic development has been undertaken entirely digitally. Among the most important aerodynamic measures are the completely closed cooling air control system in the upper section, the aerodynamically efficient front and rear aprons, a very smooth, almost completely enclosed underbody, specially optimized aero wheels and specifically adapted front and rear wheel spoilers. Efficiency was key when designing the thermal architecture too. Thanks to the heat pump, the waste heat from the electric powertrain can be used to heat the passenger compartment. This reduces drastically the draw on battery power for the heating system, thus increasing the range. It is also possible to set the pre-entry climate control for the interior of the EQA before starting. This function is controlled directly from the MBUX infotainment system or via the Mercedes Me app. In order to reduce noise and vibration, complex measures have been taken to isolate the electric powertrain from the chassis and body. Included as standard on board are active lane keeping assist and active brake assist. In critical situations, the purpose of the latter is to prevent a collision by means of autonomous braking, or to mitigate its severity. The system is also able to brake for stationary vehicles and crossing pedestrians at typical city speeds. The enhanced functions of the driving assistance package include, for example, the turning maneuver function, the emergency corridor function, the exit warning function alerting the driver to approaching cyclists or vehicles, and a warning when pedestrians are detected near zebra crossings. Taking the robust structure of the GLA as the basis, the body of the EQA was adapted to meet the particular demands that face an electric car. The battery sits within a specially developed frame made out of extruded sections. This fulfills structural tasks. A battery guard in the front area of the battery is able to protect the energy storage unit from being pierced by foreign objects, and thus also prevent consequential damages. Naturally, the EQA also had to go through a very thorough crash test program. Stringent requirements for the battery and all components carrying electrical current also apply. Safety features include driver and front passenger airbags. A knee bag for the driver and window bags are fitted as standard. The window bags cover the first and second row of seats. Thorax pelvis side airbags in the front are likewise standard, and available as optional equipment for the second row of seats. The front seats can also be equipped with electric, reversible belt reel tensioners. The standard specification of the EQA includes such features as LED high-performance headlamps with adaptive high beam assist, the Easy Pack tailgate with electrically operated opening and closing, 45 cm, 18-inch light alloy wheels, ambient lighting with 64 colors, a double cup holder, luxury seats with 4-way adjustable lumbar support, a reversing camera and a multi-function sports steering wheel in leather. Also included as standard are the intuitively operated infotainment system MBUX, Mercedes-Benz user experience, and the navigation with electric intelligence system. The new model can be personalized with the two design and equipment lines Electric Art and AMG line, as well as with the night package. This is a bit different from what we normally do on this channel, but we thought you might find it interesting as it is about electric vehicles. Who knows, perhaps before long we will have electric motorhomes with a range of 500 kilometers. Hymer, for example, has said that it will start to build all electric motorhomes once this barrier is broken. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you found this interesting. My name is Torsha. Please write a nice comment below if you want to hear me in more videos. If you have not already done so, please subscribe. Thank you for being with us.